Hey, what's up everybody? Now hopefully everybody's having a great time. This is Yashvia Gaming. Okay, so if you're new to my channel guys, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification for me. Alright guys, because when I drop a new video, you'll know about it first. Alright, so without any further delay guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. Okay, so you'll have to go to let's say you'll have to go to kalilinux.org. This is the official Kali Linux download page. Okay, and here you will find the Kali Linux images. Okay, they are the images or the ISO files. Okay, if you have 64-bit or 32-bit, you can install even you can install the 64-bit live version. Okay, this includes a USB and extra, so there are net installer, and this is for available on Offensive Security.com. Okay, and if you want to download the Kali Linux virtual images, so this is for the 64-bit. Okay, but here we go. So I would like to install the installer version 2020.1a. okay, it's about 2 gig. Okay, 2 gigabytes. So there are a lot of changes. We no longer uses root for username on Kali Linux. Okay, it has been changed the Kali. Okay, it has been changed to Kali, and the password also has been changed into Kali. Alright, so without any further delay, all you gotta do is to right click and select download with IDM, or you can simply right click and save link as. Okay, and you wanna select your desktop. Okay, you wanna select your desktop, and this will download into image files. Okay, so I would like to download via IDM, Internet Download Manager. Okay, so I'm gonna start download. And yeah guys, I'm gonna see you once this download has been completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, the download still downloading. Okay, it's about 10 minutes left. Alright,
Storybox Audio.
alright, so as you can see, the download is now complete. Okay, so it is saved on our desktop. Okay, and here it is in the format of image files. Okay, this is an ISO file. Okay, alright, so now let's begin to install that. So you will need of a VMware Workstation. You can free download that, and I will give you the key, okay, to VMware Workstation 15 player, or you can simply download the pro version and then crack it. Alright, so from here all you gotta do is to click on create a new virtual machine. Okay, and here all you gotta do is to click this installer this image files bracket ISO. Okay, choose this and browse to your desktop, and now just open this Kali Linux here and click next. Here choose Linux, and let's here you can choose any of this, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for instance I'm gonna choose Debian and hit next. You wanna rename, you wanna give a name, so I'm gonna stick with Kali 2020.1. okay, and I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna give this 30 gigabytes, and I'm gonna store virtual disk as a single file. Hit next. Okay, you may customize hardware. Okay, I'm gonna give 4 gig of RAM, and for the network adapter you can either bridge the connection or you can use NAT. Okay, use host IP address here. Okay, and processes you may choose okay, I'm gonna give only one process. Okay, so click close and simply click finish. Once you done that, you're gonna click this play virtual machine, and it should open like this. And here all you gotta do is to click graphical install. Okay, so it says to return to your computer, press Ctrl plus Alt key. Okay, and you wanna click this button to enter full screen mode. And here choose the language that you desired. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it by default to English, and here United States. Okay, American English. The keyboards, let's choose okay, configure keyboard. Hit continue.
Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio.
Okay, so for the host name, I'm gonna stick with Kali. Okay, domain name, leave this blank and hit continue. And here enter your full name. So I'm gonna stick with mine, Shvia Gaming. And for the passwords, I'm gonna stick with Kali.
Storybox Audio.
Okay, and here use the first one, use entire disk.
Storybox Audio.
And here click finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click continue. Here click yes. Alright guys, so this installation right now, it's gonna take at least 12 to 15 minutes. The main installation.
Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio.